Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. And guess what? Remember my review of the Chasing Dory? Today we got authorization to give away one of these to you guys. And all you have to do is be subscribers. You have to check the links I have down in the description, and you guys will win one of these and also this Chasing backpack. I'm just gonna open it up real quick. If you guys haven't seen the initial video I did so far yet, you can see that you get this is basically the world's smallest sub. Let me just open it up really quick and show you guys in case you don't know what it's all about. If you haven't seen my first initial review, go ahead and check that out. I'll have the link pop up here so you can check that out. But check this out. This is an underwater submarine, and it's just the smallest I've seen, and it works really, really well. So I'm actually going through kind of an in-depth review on this aside from my initial look video. And then here's the other stuff in the box. Aside from the backpack that can fit everything inside of it, this actually has a little Wi-Fi buoy. So this will float in the water. If you wanted to like drop it in the water, you can keep it next to you, or you can have it in the water. And then you also get this 50-foot tether. It doesn't have a super long tether, but at least it's something to get you started. You need to make a comment too on the video, otherwise we won't know who the winners are. So I'm gonna choose a random comment picker, and I'm gonna choose the winner. And we're gonna run this giveaway for 2 weeks. So you need to enter, and then in 2 weeks we'll pick the winner. You gotta be a subscriber too, don't forget. So what are the things that we normally have to do on giveaways like this? Can you name the things?
Comment, like, subscribe, and click the links below.
And click the links below, yeah. So comment, like, subscribe, and check the links below. That's part of the requirement to be entered in this giveaway. But anyway, good luck to you guys. Remember, there's one of these giving away, and I think this is around a $500 retail value. So a great giveaway item, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Aloha. Just want to wait till like kids done screaming. You need to make a comment too on the video, otherwise we won't